Kaspa is right now at this very interesting area, but will we finally see the bullish breakout or do we fall to even lower prices? In this video I will talk about Kaspa and share my price prediction for the future. Before we go into the content, be sure to join my free Telegram group. I share the daily updates about Bitcoin, Kaspa and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. So Kaspa was very bullish. We had this last all-time high. We made a higher low, higher high, higher low and now a higher high. So we are clearly in a bullish trend, and right now from this last all-time high we then saw this pullback into this last demand zone, and from this demand zone we saw this push into this new highs. We also got multiple times support right here, so the chances high that we can now continue the bullish trend to the upside and see a new all-time high. And I think Kaspa is one of the most interesting bullish projects for this bull run. We already have a market cap of $3.3 billion on place 28 of all cryptocurrencies, so it definitely has a potential, and we already have a circulating supply of 86%, which is a really good sign. So I think the chances high that we will see even higher prices than the last all-time high. But right now in this demand zone it's very important that we are seeing some bullish interest, because if we are not seeing it, then the chances high that we can see even lower prices, and then of course the chances high that we can see even lower prices fall to this last demand zone to 10 cents. But if we can hold this demand zone and now see bullish reaction out of this demand zone, then the chances high that we can see even higher prices and also see a new all-time high. So I think for the long term, these are very nice prices for your spot portfolio. And if we can see the bullish interest break this last highs right here, maybe retest it, it would be a perfect opportunity to get into long-term trades on Kaspa. And then of course the next very interesting zone is this last high right here at 18 cents. Then of course the last all-time high right here at 19 cents. And of course this biggest all-time high of nearly 20 cents. And the best coins in the bull run will also explode over the last all-time high, and to calculate the next potential price targets we are using the Fibonacci tool. So if we are breaking the last all-time high, this would be the very next interesting zone at 25 cents. And from the prices right now to this price target we would have potential over 90%, which is really amazing for Kaspa. And I think this kind of price targets are very realistic for this bull run, about 45 cents. But I think we will see even higher prices. So I personally think that 80 to 90 cents is a very realistic price target for Kaspa. Of course, these are just price predictions from the price right now, but in my opinion, it's one of the best projects for this bull run. We already have much potential in this coin, so here's much capital flowing in. And if the real bullish explosion begins and if we are reaching the new all-time highs, then it could be really fast that we are seeing higher prices. Of course, I would take some profits in this area right here, but I think that the chances high that you can reach this kind of price targets, we would have a market cap of $15 to $20 million. And if we would reach 80 to 90 cents, I would sell most of my Kaspa right here to get into a bear market new in if we are then falling to lower levels. And if you want to trade Kaspa, you can do this on Blofin. Blofin has no KYC and very low trading fees. And with one link, you get 20% trading fee rebate on top. So for the mid and long term, I'm very bullish on Kaspa. I think that we can see even higher prices than the last all-time high. But right now, it's very important that we are holding this demand zone, that we are seeing some bullish interest and break this last highs right here to the upside. Then the chance is really high that we have the bullish confirmation and see higher prices. But I think right now are great chances to get into long-term spot positions. Just if we are breaking this last demand zone and see very bearish confirmation and acceptance, then I think the chances high that we can see lower prices. And then I would look at this last demand zone here at 10 cents to get into new Kaspa. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.